day traders, my name is Wilke van Bokstel from TradeReact.com. Nice to have you here. After a weekend, we're starting on a Monday, now the Sunday. The markets just have opened 10 minutes ago. So I'm going to take a look at the EUR USD and the GBP USD for the price action early in this week, and what maybe is to develop later on this week. Starting at the 1 hour chart, EUR USD, we see Friday the price spiked up into these recent tops here and then got rejected. It closed below the 23.6. So as the trend is still down, because these are in a lower high. So until this is broken, I'm looking for a sell to the 38.2 for the first profit, and then into the 50 or the 61.8 of the Fibonacci of the spike. So looking for a pullback. Here we have some choppy price action, NMAs coming in, so a good target would be around these two positions. You can target the 200 MA or the 50 retracement, and if we get more pushes lower, the 61.8, but then we have to review the price action developing. We can look up some higher time frame charts. You see it's having a powerful buy-in after some divergence here. On the 4 hour chart you can see it more clear. So this might be some double bottom, at least temporarily. Can be now for retracement, and if it holds, it can look to rally back up again to the 135 of this choppy price action. But if this double bottom here, we're now on the daily chart, fails to hold and it breaks below the 61.8 retracement, it might collapse first to the 100%, the double bottom, and if that fails, we could be seeing new lows again. It's all depending on some fundamental news out there. It's influencing the euro. There might be news coming out. So keep an eye on that. On the weekly, we see we have some very big targets to go for. Around 132, 133 is the first one. We have some lower, 131, and then that's really strong support. And then it would be really lower, 127, 128. But that will take some time. It's just to give you an idea of the general levels in play lower. As said, higher is a target 130, 135 first, and then up to 36 again, and higher. That's the global review. Cutting it back to the hour chart, I'm trading this retracement. So let's see where we can take some profits with stops tight above these spikes. Real safe would be around the spike top, but that takes too much risk reward, so I'm keeping it tight above here and looking for that price to retrace a bit. GBP USD now. One thing you can see on the charts, other indicators having spiked up here, then turning lower. So it's also confirmation. On the chart here, I'm on the daily chart, GBP USD. You see the 200 MA coming in. As I've seen it come in real hard, there can be a play for a retracement up to 168, but I favor a dip even lower to the 200 MA before retracing back up. And that's because it's been a real long time since it have touched this 200 MA on the daily chart. So there is still some pressure on. Let's move higher with the time frame. So you can do two things. You can trade the break of the Friday lows with a tight stop above. Trade it into the 200 daily MA. It's just a short target of like 20 pips. Or you can watch price action, move higher, look what it does around 168, and then trade lower. You can look for this MA to hold around 168.35. Let's zoom into an hour. So that would be, as it has broken this 168, you can look for that to hold, or the 200 MA on the hourly chart if it retraces up with stops tight below here. What do we see on the 4-hour chart? 4-hour chart, you see all the indicators dip a bit lower, getting a bit oversold, so it will be in for some retracement depending on the pop it makes. You see some indecision candle here forming, but then also bearish candle afterwards, so still looks heavy, but market just opened, so look what the price does there. Sorry. Daily chart. See the gap there, down, space to go. 1-hour chart. For details, you can go below the 1-hour chart and look for entries. So that's it for now. Just a quick update on the Euro USD and the GBP USD to get your week starting. My name is Wilco van Bokstel from TradeReact.com. I would like you to like this video if it was helpful for you. Subscribe for more of these videos. Tell me below what you like or what you don't like about this. Share it with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, Google+. It would be really helpful. So thank you all for watching. Let me know what you think. What's your standpoint in this? Am I right or am I wrong? Do you see things differently? Do you want me to review it on another style? I'm still developing this channel. I hope you support it. Thank you for watching for now, and I see you in the next video update. Have good trading this week.